Now I will show you how to make a pose which can easily be used to draw a illustration which can be used for in making Indian garment. So here we go. We'll draw the upper torso only, because if you are drawing the lehenga or something, then upper torso is just that what we need. So we made a line, and then as usual we used to take the measurement, and we'll take that measurement only. So here what I have done is I have drawn a line, and then I have made this point. And then after doing so, what I will do is I will going to take a line here which is 1 inch, and I will take 1/4 more, and then I will draw a line. Now here I'll make a curve, and I will push this down 1/2 inches, and I have made this line slanted. Now again I will take a curve freehand, and mark where the bust will come, which is about 1 inch over here. So you draw an oval shape, and as you reach here, you push this up, and you take this point and push this up. Then we'll divide this curve into 2 equal halves. One is that, and then we'll divide this into half again, and then we divide this into half again. Make sure that the curve over here is more here and the less here. So it's kind of a 3/4 pose only. I'm not gonna explain you guys how to make the face, you already know it. After doing so, what you will be doing is from this point we'll go 1 inch here. 1 inch से थोड़ा सा कम ही होता है. I have told you already, this is 2 counts less than the 1 inch, and at 2 count you make the circle. Do the same thing here. 1 inch, 2 counts, this is the perfect 1 inch, and then we make the ball. join this side like that, join this side like this, take half of this line, and we have made that. Now we'll see how the curve will move with the balance line. So you push this here, and it is very much visible, that is very clear that this line has got shifted here a bit more. Wherever it shifts, you draw a curve like that. Take half of this line, take half of this line, and push this down. Push this down. Take half of this line, take half of this line, and make a circle by taking half here again. Wherever you thought, wherever you think that half should come, okay, mark that, and then you mark the half here again. So that is where the pivotal point will come. So I've made the bust over here, and I've made the bust over here. Make sure that you have got less distance here and more distance there. Mark this point like that. Mark this point like that. Take a curve from this side, and take a curve from this side, and move it down like this. Just take this curve. It should cross the body. It should cross the your bust, and bust will overlap, and you just take this curve here and just take that curve here. Now after doing so, you push this line and you push this line down. Now what we do here is we go 1/4 here. As you see this curve, make a curve here parallel. You push this curve more, 1/4, and you see this curve here. Bring this down. Now from this point, what you do here is you draw a line, and you draw a line. Now you go from here, okay, from here you go 1/2 inch plus 2 counts. You go 1/2 inch plus 2 counts. Wherever it crosses, you mark this point. Wherever it crosses, get an inner curve and mark this point. Now take a curve from here and take a curve from here. Now if you see this line, and if you see this line, push this down and push this down, and you see this line, you see this circle, get a line from here and get a line from here. Bring this down from this side. This will go about half an inch over here. Make a line. And 1/4 inch here, make a line. Now wherever it crosses at half inch here, take this down, take that down. Now here what you do is you get a curve like that. And you get a curve like this. Push this down again 1 inches. Take half of this line. Take half of this line. Make a curve. Make a curve. Now at this point you just take a turn from this side and touch this line. Take a curve from here. Make a point here. Take this up. Bring the curve down. Take this point here. Bring a curve. Put this down. What more we can do, we can take this inside, and to make the hand we can take this up from here, from the waist. See this curve, take it here, push this here, take a round shape, Now how to get the hairstyle? I'll be making the hands.